Well, if you have been following this channel for quite some time now, then you know how popular the stock Olectra Greentech is, and I have made multiple videos on this stock before. And I remember I made my first video when the price was around 650, and currently it is trading around 1700 rupees, and it has already turned into a multi-bagger, giving at least 2x returns to its investors. Now it is time for me to make one more update video on Olectra Greentech. Why is that? Let's find out in this video. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Olectra Greentech, and let me first switch to the weekly time frame and show you that this is the level where I made the first video on this stock. 620 to 650, price was somewhere around that. Then it went up to a high of 246% return in less than 1 year, and now currently it is at 57%. Okay, now the price right now has come down from 2225 to currently it is at almost 1700 level, but currently it is trading at a very crucial level. Why is that? Well, you'll get to know the answer as soon as I enable the 200 days EMA or the 40 weeks EMA. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. If I go to the daily time frame and enable 200 days EMA, you will see that the price is coming closer to the 200 days EMA. You can see here we got to see one bullish engulfing candle. Okay, the price was pushed up, then it faced some resistance at around exactly 2000 level, you can see. Okay, then it was pushed down, then one more big green candle, then again it was pushed down, and now it is coming closer to 200 days EMA. So what could happen next? Well, this is a growing stock. It is fundamentally strong, and if you have not watched my previous videos, I will share the link in the description section. You can go and check them out. And currently it is coming closer to the 200 days EMA, and that is why you can see the red candles. Although these candles are red in color, bearish candles, still the size is getting smaller and smaller. Okay, and I expect the price to show a big move very soon, and as soon as it breaks this level, nearest level of resistance, that is around 1800, it could start another rally. Okay, now let us confirm using the super trend indicator where the next resistance level could be. Okay, I am enabling the super trend indicator, and there you go. We can see that this level, which I already guessed, around 1800 level, could be the next level of resistance. Okay, and the reason behind that is very simple. We can clearly see the stock came down after it hit this level, and you can see it was acting as a resistance earlier also, and now it could act as a resistance once again. Okay, but this time it has the support of the 200 days EMA, and once the price bounces above the 200 days EMA, then it has a very good chance of giving a breakout above this level of 1800. Okay, if the breakout is supported by good volume bars. Okay, we have to enable the volume bars and see if we get to see a good breakout with strong volume, then definitely it is the beginning of a new rally for Olectra Greentech. Now excuse me coming to the point, let's say if you have already made an investment in this stock long back and your average price is somewhere around under 1000 rupees, okay, then definitely it has already given a very good return for you. So what should you do? Should you exit at this point? Well, if you had to exit, then you could have exited at this level, okay, to 2200 or 2000 level, let's say. Okay, but if you have not yet exited and you are still holding the stock, then there is no point in exiting the stock right now. Instead of that, you should add more units of the stock, because we know that EV is a futuristic business, it is a futuristic sector. Okay, and definitely the stocks related to this are definitely going to give returns. Even you can see Tata Motors giving very good returns, and I would say that Olectra Greentech is a better company than Tata Motors when it comes to investment point of view. Okay, I'm not talking about its product and business model and all of that. I'm not talking. The reason behind that is very simple. It has low debt and the returns are good. So I would definitely prefer Olectra Greentech over Tata Motors, but I'm not saying it is bad. Okay, it is just my personal opinion. And let's say you have not yet invested in any of these stocks, Tata Motors or Olectra Greentech or any other EV sector stocks, then can you invest right now in Olectra Greentech? Well, I would say you have to keep watch on the 1800 level. Okay, Once it breaks above this level with good volume, as I already mentioned, then it will be a great time for entry. Okay, that will be the perfect time for entry. For now, you just have to watch what the price action is doing as it gets closer to the 200 days EMA. So what I expect it to do is it will go up and down for few more weeks or maybe a few months. Okay, 1 or 2 months. After that, it could give a breakout above 1800, and that will be the beginning of a new trend and the perfect point for entry. Okay, and let me also give you some profit taking targets, but let me tell you that this won't be accurate because we haven't still figured out where the stock is going to stop. Okay, so I'm assuming this 1500 level could be its bottom. Okay, somewhere around that. Then if you make an entry above 1800 level, okay, as I already mentioned, your first profit taking target will be the middle part of these two. Let's say 2500 or 2550. 2550 could be a good level. Okay, this will be the first profit taking level for you. The second one will be 3000 level. Okay, these two are good profit taking levels for you if you make an entry above the 1800 level. Let me see how much percentage return that is. So 2550 will give you around 37 to 38% return, and 3000 will give you around 60% return. So very good returns from this stock, but make sure that you are making entry only after it crosses 1800 level. Do not jump into the stock right now. Okay, so that is all about Olectra Greentech. I hope this video was informative and helpful, and please subscribe to Financial Impulse and also check my other channel, Financial Affairs, where I make videos on Hindi, and also the content there is different from what I post here. So you can find that link in the description section. Make sure to go and check that one out, and also you can watch some of my recent videos, okay, which will be giving you some good buying opportunity in stocks which are already trending right now, okay, and are at a very good level of buying. But please remember that this is not a buying selling recommendation video at all. This is just to teach you the approach how you should see the stocks in terms of price action for making finding out best entry points. That's it. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.